Dessert doesn't get much better than this warm and gooey chocolate peanut butter bread pudding. It's rich, it's decadent, and it's oh so easy to make when you follow this restaurant recipe. Begin by cutting the crusts off 8 slices of bread. For best results, we suggest using thick-cut Texas toast. Spread each piece with a liberal smear of both softened butter and creamy peanut butter. Now place 4 slices into the bottom of a baking dish and use some of those crusts you cut off to fill in any gaps around the edges. Sprinkle on some chocolate chips, then add another layer of bread, some more chocolate chips, and dust it all with a little bit of cinnamon. In a separate bowl, crack 5 eggs and give them a brisk whisk. Then add milk, cream, sugar, and vanilla. Stir it all together, then carefully pour it all over the bread. It's best to do this slowly so that the bread has a chance to absorb all that liquid. Finally, pop the pan in the oven, and after about an hour, it comes out hot and melty, golden and gooey, absolutely irresistible. Then all you need to do is slice it into squares and serve it up on a plate with a scoop of cool vanilla ice cream. Without a doubt, every forkful of this chocolate peanut butter bread pudding will keep you coming back for more. For another bread pudding you'll love, visit Romaines in Northborough. For more than a decade, they've served creative American cuisine like Creole barbecued shrimp, chicken under a brick, and a pulled pork sandwich topped with apple slaw. But for dessert, everyone orders Romaines cinnamon bread pudding served warm in a pool of buttery rum sauce.